In this video, we are going to learn about geometric means. Find the geometric mean between 4 and 16. So, si geometric mean basically ay ito, yung term na nandito. Yan si geometric mean. At para mahanap siya, meron dalawang paraan. Yung una is to extract the roots of the product of the two terms na pumapagitna sa kanya. So, in this example's case, 4 and 16. Multiply mo lang sila tapos extract mo yung root. So, 4 times 16, that will give you 64. Then, pag in-extract mo yung root niya, that is going to be plus minus 8. So, pwedeng positive 8 yan, pwedeng negative 8. Depende, of course, sa kung ano yung common ratio. Kung ang hinahanap din ay ang positive geometric mean, edi yung positive 8 ang i-consider. Kung ang negative geometric mean naman ang hinahanap, edi yung negative counterpart ni 8 ang siya mong i-consider. But then, minsan talaga magkakos to ng confusion kasi nga, yung square root ng isang positive number ay dalawa. Isang positive version, isang negative version. So, para masigurado, meron pa tayong isang paraan. And it is to use the formula for the n term of a geometric sequence, which is a sub n equals a sub 1, your first term multiplied by r, the common ratio, raised to n less 1. N naman yung number of terms na kinoconsider natin. Bakit natin gagamitin yan? Kasi mapapakinabangan natin si r, which is the common ratio. Kung iisipin nga naman, r yung gamit mo para makuha yung next term, hindi ba? At mula sa 4, you just need to multiply by r. Alam mo na agad, di nasa pagitan nila ng 16. So, gamitin natin yung formula na to solve for r. A sub n, alam natin na yung last term siya. So, in this example's case, that's going to be 16. Equals a sub 1. Your first term here is 4 multiplied by r. Wala tayong r, so lagay ko lang rin r. Raised to n less 1. N is the number of terms considered. And in this example, that is going to be 3 terms. Minus 1. Simplifying further, we now have 16 equals 4 multiplied by r. 3 minus 1 is 2. So, r squared na lamang yon. And then, gusto natin ma-isolate si r. So, alisin ko muna yung 4 dito by dividing both sides by 4. Gagawin ko yon kasi anything divided by itself is 1. So, maka-cancel dyan yung 4. I will now just have r squared sa right side. Habang sa left side naman, 16 divided by 4 will give me 4. Finally, to solve for r, kailangan na lang natin i-extract yung square root ni r squared. At gagawin natin yung both sides para manatiling equal yung equation natin hanggang sa hulihan. Yan. So, dito maka-cancel na yung exponent na 2. And then, the square root of 4 is plus or minus 2. Kung positive 2 yan, edi 4 times positive 2 is going to be positive 8. Kung ito naman ay negative 2, and then it is going to be 4 times negative 2, which is negative 8. And then multiply mo ulit doon, makuha mo naman yung kaparehong third value. Paano naman kung mas maraming geometric mean ang hinahanap? Yan, kagaya nito. You're asked to find 3 geometric means between 2 and 162. So, pwede mong gawin ulit yung ginawa natin nung una. In-extract natin yung roots ng products ng dalawang numbers. In this case, pag ginawa natin yun, makuha natin agad to. Yung middle term kasi nila yon. And then, pwede mong gamitin yung kaparehong proseso. Sa dalawa naman na to, makukuha mo naman yung nandito. And then, do the same thing para dito, makuha mo yung nandito. Kaya lang, baka maging matagal yon kasi maraming beses mo ulitin yung process. What if, gamitin na lang natin yung alam natin na formula for the n term, which is a sub n, which equals a sub 1 times r raised to n less 1. Alam natin na yung last term natin is 162. Let's just solve for r para i-multiply na lang natin ng i-multiply to get these terms, the missing terms. The a sub 1 in this example is 2. Yun yung first term natin. And then common ratio, yan yung hinahanap natin. So lagay pa rin natin dyan. N less 1, n being the number of terms. So in this example's case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms ang meron tayo. Minus 1. Simplify natin further. We now have 2 times r raised to 4. Then sabi natin, di ba? Gusto natin si r ang masolve. So alisin natin lahat ng kasama niya. Let's start with the coefficient, the numerical coefficient 2. Divide natin both sides by 2 para makancel siya dyan. On the right side, we have r raised to 4. Then 162 divided by 2 will give us ilang 2 daw meron sa 162, pwede natin i-check. So sa 16 meron tayong 8 na 2. Multiply natin si 8 by 2 will give us 16. Subtract natin 0 yan, bring down natin to. Ibig sabihin meron tayong 81 na 2 sa loob ni 162. Pero pansinin, yung r natin naka-raise pa sa 4. So, kailangan natin i-extract hindi lang yung square root, kasi hindi lang 2 yung exponent, kundi yung 4th root niyan. 4th root. Yan. Index na natin 4 kasi yung exponent na gusto nating makancel is 4 din. So, this will cancel out. We will only be left with r here. And then, dito sa kabila, dito medyo tricky kasi kailangan natin makahanap ng number na 4 na beses i-multiply sa sarili niya. Kaya naging 81. So, kung meron kang calculator, pwede mong ilabas yun. Yan. Tapos, kailangan nating isolve yung 4th root. So, tingnan natin kung meron siya dito. Hindi yata nababago yung index nung ating square root dito sa calculator natin. Wait lang, check natin. Pwede siguro, let's guess going to be 3. Paano kaya natin siya gagawin? Ayun, since 4th root naman, baka pwedeng dalawang beses natin i-extract yung root ni 81. Then makita natin yung 3. To double check, pwede mong i-times si 3 sa sarili niya 4 times or 3 raised to 4. Makita natin na 81. So tama tayo. 3 yung value na hinahanap natin. Which means r here, oops, saan yung ink natin? Yan. R here is 3. Ngayon alam na natin yung common ratio, pwede na natin mahanap yung mga terms na nandito. You just need to use the common ratio para i-multiply dun sa preceding term. So 2 times 3, that will give us 6. 6 times 3, that is going to be 18. And then 18 multiplied by 3, that is going to be 8, 16, 24, 54. And then para ma-check natin kung tama tayo, si 54 ba, pag minultiply natin sa 3, eh magiging 162. The answer is yes. So, ibig sabihin, nahanap na natin yung 3 geometric means between 2 and 162. Now it's your turn. Kaya mo bang hanapin yung geometric mean sa pagitan ni 5 and 1,280? Let me know in the comments kung ano yung magiging sagot o kung may bahagi ng video na to na hindi mo ganong naunawaan. Thank you so much for watching this.